This is Guru Prasanna from 3D Fully Design. This is water drainage grate or gutters cover which you could see typically on a road. Overall measurements and material of construction. Standard structural members, L angle 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch 2 numbers, pipes 1/4 inch dia 10 numbers, all welded together. Pre-visualizing the final design. Let's begin. 550 by 450 overall sizes. First, I would draw the skeleton sketch with these dimensions. So, sketch done. Let's make these 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch L angles. Activated the structural member, choosing standard, type and specific size, positioning the L angle and orienting it. Similarly, positioning the same size L angle on the other side. .25 inch dia pipe. Let's draw the line to position this pipe. Line is placed 20 mm from the front. Then duplicated the line to the other end. Let's make the dia 1.25 inch pipe. Invoked the structural member, choosing pipe standard and its size, and positioning the pipe properly. The pipe is protruding through both the L angles. So let's trim this pipe on both sides to match exactly to the L angles. Totally there are 10 numbers of pipes in this grate. Let's duplicate this pipe 1 to 10 numbers by maintaining the mathematical intelligence. Pipe center to center distance is 56.6. The mathematical intelligence here is, if I add this value to the total length, the number of pipes increases accordingly. IS 2062 equivalent plain carbon steel material has been applied. And finally, drainage grate painted with black color. Finally, the exploded view of the grate.